Right guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're not in the unit, we're actually in another man's shed, and we're down looking at his MX-5 because he's had a wee bit of a mishap. As you can see, it's a nice little Mazda MX-5 NC, but unfortunately, he hit a bit of a greasy patch on the road, and it's seen the wrong side of a tree. So obviously we're going to be repairing this car, and at the moment it's not really mobile. It's also, from the looks of it, got a slightly bent chassis leg. So what we have to do is get this car mobile, get it running again. It's dropped all its coolant, so we need to get a radiator in, straighten out the bonnet, throw a new wing on, throw a bumper on, get a headlight in it, get this car mobile again so we can then drive it into the unit in a couple of days time and get that chassis leg sorted and then rebuild it all. We've got most of the parts here. We've got a bumper, radiator, a couple of other wee bits and bobs. We've got enough to get it into the unit, so let's strip this down and see how bad it is and see if we can straighten wee bits and bobs out a wee bit and get it mobile again.
This Mazda's been a pain. I've got the crash bar off. What happened was when I was trying to unhook the horn wiring off of the crash bar, my knuckle slipped and I went right all into the jaggy stuff and shredded my fingers. I need to be more like Dad, I think. His skin's made of leather and he never scratches himself. But the crash bar's off now. The leg, it's a bit more bent than we thought it'd be, but so far, look, this wing, it's no lining up terribly. There's more room here. I've got rid of the coolant bottle. I can't get the battery tray out because there's two bolts that are just completely rounded, and I don't have anything in between a 9 or a 10 to whack onto it. The rest on. I think I'm gonna wait for Dad to get back now, and he can have a look, straighten things if we need to. We'll get the headlight on and then the bumper, and then it should be all right. Oh, and the radiator. But I might actually have a go at dropping the radiator now. I'll maybe watch a quick YouTube video on how to do it, and I'll try and get that out. There we go, radiator's out, Dad's back.
Got the radiator out.
This is the new one.
Managed to pick it off of the chassis like that.
Yeah, it's out a lot.
Good couple of inches, eh? So
but then here,
it doesn't look as bad.
It looks like it's only a couple mil.
Yeah, and where the wing bracket is, look, this wing bracket's attached to the chassis leg, and look, they're almost lining up.
Yeah.
They're not a million miles away.
It's a bit of a funky whack.
So it's like the tip of the chassis leg is bent right over. So, yeah. Hopefully we can pull it alright. If no, we know a man that can pull it. But we've got this off. I've bashed it, straightened it, got the big massive kink out of it. So that allows us to get the radiator in and out. Hopefully mount the radiator again. Hook the pipes up. I've test fitted the wing. It's almost on, and look here, that one and that one's factory holes. This one's like a couple of mil out.
Yeah, I showed them.
So it's not even a million miles away. So yeah, hopefully
this one goes in okay.
it was a bit hard getting everything out because it was squashed.
Crashed then.
Yeah. So hopefully now that we've pulled everything out of it, it'll all go back together a bit easier and we can get this up and running again, and then next week get it down to the unit, strip it all down again and get the dozer on it, see if we can pull that leg. There we go guys, she's a runner again. We've undone the coolant bottle so we can raise it higher in the engine because I can't seem to find a coolant bleed screw on it just now, so as long as the bottle's higher that's fine. We've got the bumper outside so we're going to bring that in. We've got the headlight attached, we'll leave it ticking over while we fit the bumper and hopefully lead the coolant system up a wee bit. But yeah, look, you can see just how far out it is so far. There's a lot to go, but this will get it mobile, eh Charlie? As you can see for that time lapse guys, we got the front bumper back on, we got the headlight back in. We did have to rebead the tyre because there was a load of grit and gravel stuck inside it and it wouldn't stay up, so we got the tyre off, cleaned it out, blew it back up, all was good. We know the crash bar's not behind the bumper, but it's literally going to drive 4 or 5 miles for the owner's house down to our unit to get the chassis leg straightened. So, but while I was editing that, I realised that I've actually deleted the last of the footage where we put the wheel and everything back on and we took it a road test and all that kind of stuff. So this is going to be a bit of a shorter video guys, I'm afraid. But don't worry, we're cracking on and we're actually in the middle of painting at the moment. So we're going to have an Audi TT video coming out soon. The Qashqai bumper's also getting painted, so that's on the final stretch. Sticker cupboard's looking good guys, but we've only had 3 bits of submail so far, so if you've got a sticker, an Instagram, anything like that, you run your own business, send us out a quick letter, send us a sticker, we'll give you a shout out, it'll go on the board, and we'll fill this board up with all our community stickers. Also, don't forget the banger rally guys, we've had loads of donations for that. I think we've raised over £400 so far, so massive thank you to you guys. All the links are in the description. Also the SEALEY tools, we've sold over 200 tickets for the SEALEY tools. Remember, all that money goes to charity as well. And it's only £1 a ticket guys, so get involved. You might win a quarter drive ratchet set, you might win a 1/2-inch drive ratchet set, and all the money goes to cancer research and Blind Veterans UK. Right guys, like I said, this one's going to be a little bit shorter, but we are cracking on with some extra content for you guys. Charlie's already done an awesome job of primering these panels himself. This is his first time going at the primer gun himself, so he's about to go mix up some more.
I did the first half off camera just in case I messed it up, but I managed to get it right.
No.
The primer was a bit thick, but it came out okay.
Yeah, he's done a good job. Done a good job, so we're going to film this one. He's going to get mixing up, get his mask on, get the gun out while this glorious sun shines out and it's baking hot. Baking hot.
I need to stay in here because as soon as I step out into the sunlight I'll just burn.
Yeah, yeah. So, once again guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one.